my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. So today's class will be on time goes on. Today there will be 10 questions and you have to answer it. You can take it as a quiz and you can answer it in my comment section. So this 10 question you will get it as in PDF mode in worksheet number 67, which will be uploaded in your school website. So question is 15 minutes after 12 noon. What will be the correct time? Option A 12:15 am, 12:15 pm and 11:45 am. You know the concept of am and pm. So you have to think that after 12 noon it will be am or pm. So after 15 minutes of 12 noon, what will be the answer? See, in the second question, read the time shown in the clock. See, in the clock there is a time shown in the clock. So you have to read the time. You have learned that how many ways we can read the time. So here options are also given. Like first option is 10 o'clock. Then B number option is 10 minutes to 10 o'clock. And C number option is 10 minutes past 9 o'clock. So which will be the correct time which is shown in the clock, which will be the correct time? Just observe it properly and just tick the correct answer. You know how to read the time. You have to check the three hands are there. One is hour hand, another one is minutes hand and another one is second hand, but we have to check only minute and hour hand. So check it. And here in the third question, it is very interesting question. Third number question is which is incorrect. You have to choose the incorrect option. Quarter to 10 o'clock. You know that what is mean by quarter. So the options, let me read the options. The options are option A 9:40 o'clock. Option B 45 minutes past 9 o'clock. Option C 15 minutes left to 10 o'clock. So what will be the correct incorrect option? Means which is incorrect? The time what is shown in the means what is written, you have to write the incorrect option. So that means two options are correct and another one option is incorrect. So you have to choose it. So you just apply quarter and past concept and you can easily understood what will be the answer. So give the answer. It is also a very easy question. How many days are there in 1940? So option A 365 days, option B 366 days and option C 360 days. You know that there is a concept of leap year and non-leap year. So first of all, you need to find out whether the year is a leap year or not. And how to check, you know, you have to divide it by 4. Then you have to check it whether it is leap year or not. So check it and answer. Now, question number 5. Convert 1 year, 4 months, 6 days into days. Options are 491 days, option B 490 days and option C 492 days. See, whenever you solve this type of sum, year, month, days conversion into days, that time you directly put the number of days. Means in general 1 year equals to how many days, you know. So you try to convert in this way that 1 year equals to 365 days, 4 months equals to how many days, and 6 days are there. So now then you can add. But many of you, sometime I saw that many of you have converted year to month, then you face problem because the answer will not match the real answer. So why you can easily find out that if you not directly convert year to days, what will happen? I will tell you that if you convert year to month, that means 1 year equals to 12 months, and then you convert months to days, then that means 1 month equals to 30 days. So 12 into 30 equals to 360 days. You will not get the number of days of the year because 1 year equals to 365 days. So this is the problem. That's why you have to convert it directly, means year to days. Question number 6. Name any 2 months having 31 days. Means you have to write any 2 months name which have 31 days. So first option is January and April, second option February and March, third option January and March. So what will be your answer? Give the answer in my comment section. Next one, 7 number question. Rita was born on 5th August 2000, and what will be the date after 40 years? So the dates are given here. Option A 5/8/1990, 5/8/2040 and 5/8/2020. So what will be the date after 40 years? So just check the option. Now question number 8, which year is leap year? So here 3 options are given. Option A 1987, option B 2002 and option C 2012. So you know that leap year means how to check whether a year is a leap year or not, and what will be the number of days of the year of the leap year. You know everything, so you just apply the rule and solve it. Number 9 number question. It is very interesting question. First of all, let me read the question. Meena complete a work in 3 days and Rita completes the same work in 2 days 5 hours. So who is faster? So who will take less time to complete the work? She will be faster. She will faster. So first of all, you need to check the time of work. So first of all, you need to convert. Here you need to convert it in same unit. As you can convert it in days or you can convert it in hours, but I suggest that you should convert it in hours because it is easier. When we need to convert it, we should convert always the bigger unit to smaller unit. That will be easier for you to understand that which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one. So the options are also given. You check it and answer it. Now our last question, that is question number 10. Read the time 5:30. So 30 minutes, option F 30 minutes past 5 o'clock. Option B 30 minutes past to 5 o'clock and option C 30 minutes left to 5 o'clock. So what will be the answer? It is very easy, you know that, and I think you can answer it. So thank you. Till then, bye bye, and practice all the tutorial class questions and also the worksheets.